Dementia affects over 55 million people worldwide, with a new case diagnosed every 3 seconds. By 2050, this number is projected to triple due to aging populations. Alzheimer's disease accounts for 60 to 70% of cases, while vascular dementia contributes 20%. The economic impact exceeds $1 trillion annually in care costs. Early intervention is critical as brain changes begin 20 to 30 years before symptoms appear. This silent epidemic demands urgent attention and preventive strategies. Dr. Elena Petrov, a leading neuroscientist at Oxford University, has spent 25 years unraveling dementia's mysteries. Her team's 34-year longitudinal study revealed groundbreaking connections between lifestyle and brain health. Awarded the Brain Prize in 2022, Dr. Petrov developed the Cognitive Reserve Index, quantifying how daily habits influence dementia risk. Her research demonstrates that up to 40% of dementia cases could be prevented through modifiable factors, challenging long-held genetic determinism views in neurology. Dementia begins when amyloid beta proteins misfold, forming plaques between neurons, while tau proteins tangle inside cells. These abnormalities disrupt communication, causing inflammation that destroys 10 to 15% of brain volume annually in advanced cases. The hippocampus, crucial for memory, shrinks first. PET scans reveal how glucose metabolism decreases by 20 to 30% in affected regions. Surprisingly, these changes start decades before symptoms. A 45-year-old may already have amyloid deposits without any cognitive impairment yet. The Finger study proved lifestyle interventions can improve cognition by 25%. Regular aerobic exercise increases BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, by 200%, stimulating neuron growth. Mediterranean diets reduce amyloid accumulation by 30% compared to Western diets. Quality sleep enables the glymphatic system to clear toxins 60% more efficiently. Even moderate alcohol consumption accelerates brain aging by 1 to 2 years per drink. Smoking doubles dementia risk by damaging blood vessels that supply oxygen to the brain. The Mind diet combines Mediterranean and DASH diets, showing 53% lower Alzheimer's risk. Key components include leafy greens, rich in vitamin K, consumed 6 times weekly, and berries, flavonoid powerhouses. Omega-3s from fatty fish build brain cell membranes, while walnuts provide neuroprotective polyphenols. Turmeric's curcumin crosses the blood-brain barrier, reducing inflammation. Avoid processed meats containing nitrosamines and refined carbs, causing insulin spikes. These accelerate amyloid production by 40% compared to whole foods. Learning new skills creates cognitive reserve, extra neural pathways compensating for damage. Bilingual individuals develop dementia 4 to 5 years later than monolinguals. Playing musical instruments increases gray matter volume by 15% in auditory regions. Puzzles and strategy games enhance visuospatial processing, but novelty is key. Doing crosswords daily has diminishing returns. The most effective brain training combines mental, physical, and social stimulation, increasing synaptic density by up to 35% in animal studies. Loneliness increases dementia risk by 50%, equivalent to smoking 15 cigarettes daily. Social interaction stimulates the default mode network, preventing atrophy in memory regions. Group activities lower stress hormones like cortisol by 30% compared to solitary pursuits. Interestingly, pet owners show 20% slower cognitive decline as animals provide non-judgmental companionship. Community engagement also encourages healthier habits. Those with strong social ties exercise 40% more frequently than isolated individuals. Chronic stress shrinks the prefrontal cortex by 8 to 10% while enlarging the amygdala, impairing emotional regulation. Elevated cortisol reduces hippocampal neurogenesis by 40%, accelerating memory loss. During deep sleep, the glymphatic system expands 60%, flushing out amyloid proteins like a brain car wash. Just one night of poor sleep increases amyloid buildup by 25%. Meditation practices can lower inflammatory markers by 15% and slow cellular aging, as measured by telomere length in long-term practitioners. Breakthrough blood tests now detect amyloid biomarkers with 90% accuracy, enabling intervention 15 to 20 years before symptoms. Anti-amyloid drugs like lecanemab slow decline by 27% in early-stage patients. Transcranial magnetic stimulation improves memory by enhancing theta wave synchronization. AI algorithms can predict dementia risk 10 years in advance by analyzing speech patterns and eye movements. Researchers are exploring how gut microbiome transplants might reduce neuroinflammation, with promising results in animal models. Start today with these evidence-based steps. 1. Walk 30 minutes daily to boost BDNF levels. 2. Adopt a MIND diet with weekly fish and daily greens. 3. Learn something new monthly to build cognitive reserve. 4. Prioritize 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. And 5. Cultivate meaningful relationships. Small, consistent changes compound over time. Improving just 3 lifestyle factors reduces dementia risk by 35%. Remember, it's never too early or too late to invest in your brain's future resilience against cognitive decline.